Hello, children. This is your reading for today. I am Miss Carolyn.
I am Miss Kim.
Today, we are going to work with oi, O-I, oi.
O-Y, oi.
Like O-I, oi in boy.
You said, O-I, oi in coin.
Now, always write the words before you start.
Mm-hmm.
O-I, oi as in boy, boy. T, oi, toy, toy.
J, oi, joy, joy.
E, n, j, oi, enjoy, enjoy.
D, e, s, t, oi, destroy, destroy.
Now, O, I, oi. O-I can be in the middle of the word. Point. Oh yeah, O-Y is at the end of the word.
Usually.
So point.
K, oi, n, coin, coin.
V, oi, s, silent E, voice, voice.
B, oi, o, boil, boil.
This is kind of special. It doesn't make a oil sound. You cannot say boil, boil. You have to say boil, okay? P, oi, n, t, point, point. All right.
Ooh.
O-Y, oi, the best toy. Roy just had a birthday. He got a lot of presents. The best toy he got was an iPod. Roy enjoys listening to music on his iPod. He said it brings him a lot of joy. I want a toy like Roy. I want an iPad for my birthday.
Oh. So iPod is kind of like iPad. Well, not really. iPod is what you used to listen to music long time ago.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes, I don't know if they have it anymore,
Yeah.
but
Now we use iPad.
Or iPhone.
Yeah. Anyway, it's a good toy. So, Miss Carolyn, why did Roy get presents?
Because it was his birthday.
Yes. Happy birthday to Roy. 2, what is the best toy Roy got?
The best toy he got was an iPad. No, iPod.
Yes.
He got an iPod. Not iPad, iPod.
You can ask your mom and dad if they had an iPod. You know, maybe about 10 years ago-ish. Anyway. 3, what does the author want?
Author wants an iPod.
Yes. They say, I want one too.
So they used to have iPod, and then they made iPad.
And iPhone. So iPod was before iPad and iPhone. And you only used it for music, I think. Yep.
All right.
Ooh, O-I, oi. This is called sweet potato chips. Do you know how to make sweet potato chips? Turn on the oven. Turn the oven on to broil. Peel and slice a potato. Toss the slices in oil. They should look moist. Then lay the slices on a pan and cover the pan with foil. Put the pan in the oven until the chips are dry. Join some salt and pepper in a dish and sprinkle it on the chips. Then make some noise. It's time to eat sweet potato chips.
Ooh.
That
So
sounds yummy.
someone made sweet potato chips at home.
Yep, from a sweet potato, and they are probably healthier than regular potato chips. So you could try to make it, maybe.
All right, so answer these questions. Read this over and over and over. And answer, what setting should the oven be on? So what temperature? What did they say? What setting? Now, what should you use to cover the pan? You need to cover the pan. What can you use? What can you use? Why does the author say make some noise?
Woohoo!
Oops.
Uh-oh.
Why does the author say make some noise? Because you figure it out and let us know. All right. Good job.
Thank you. Good job today. Practice your reading on Raz Kids or another book. Will be really fun. Bye.
Bye.